Linksys Range Extender with an Ethernet port. Here are some of the best settings for this device. Spotfinder. This feature helps you determine the optimal placement for the range extender. Too close. The range extender is too close to the router. This often happens when the router and range extender are in the same room. Connection strength is excellent, but actual performance is poor. Too far. The range extender and router are too far apart. The signal strength is very weak, resulting in an unstable internet connection. You should move the device closer to the range extender. The device performs best when positioned within the green zone. This ensures the best connection to the router. Crossband. This feature allows you to manually configure the frequency bands used to connect to the router and internet-enabled devices. There are 4 different modes. Non-cross dual band. Here is an explanation of this mode. The wireless device communicates with the range extender on the same band that the range extender uses to communicate with the router. It is like a car that does not change lanes when passing the range extender. Here is a diagram showing how this mode works. The downside of this method is increased internet latency. This is because a single frequency band handles only one connection at a time. Cross dual band. This method addresses the limitations of the previous one. The range extender communicates with the router and your phone on 2 different frequency bands simultaneously. Your phone does not have to wait as long to transmit data to the range extender compared to the previous method. This method is like a car changing lanes when passing the range extender. Here's the operational diagram of this mode. 2.4 GHz only. The range extender communicates with the router using only the 2.4 GHz band. As explained earlier, this method affects devices connecting to the range extender on the 2.4 GHz band. This method is used when the router and range extender are far apart. Signal strength between the 2 devices on the 5 GHz band is unreliable. For example, when the range extender and router are separated by 2 walls. This method is like a car traveling between the range extender and router in a single lane. 5 GHz only. This method is similar to the previous one, differing only in the frequency band. The router and range extender communicate with each other only on the 5 GHz band. As explained earlier, this method affects devices connecting to the range extender on the 5 GHz band. Use this method when the distance between the router and range extender is short and signal strength is strong. This method optimizes 5 GHz band speeds, highly suitable for online gaming. The car travels between the range extender and router in a single lane. In practice, however, I choose a different method. For example, the range extender communicates with the router on the 2.4 GHz band, while phones and computers communicate with the range extender on the 5 GHz band, like a car forced to change lanes when passing through the range extender. The extender has 2 bands, each with a different function. Applied when the range extender and router communicate well on the 2.4 GHz band, but poorly on the 5 GHz band. Conversely, if the range extender communicates with the router on the 5 GHz band, then phones and computers communicate with range extender on the 2.4 GHz band. Method to optimize 5 GHz band speeds. Ensure strong signal strength between the 2 devices on the 5 GHz band. This method optimizes uplink speeds. The car changes lanes as it passes the range extender. Here is the communication model between the devices. In all these methods, the range extender and router communicate wirelessly. The device supports a wired connection. Access point mode. Set up wireless networks for each band. 2.45. Password. Connect a cable from the router to the range extender. A wired connection offers stability and low latency, and is unaffected by obstacles like walls. Blinking LEDs can be annoying in the bedroom. The device allows you to turn off the LEDs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to explore more useful videos on the channel. Here is some basic information to help you access the setup page via a web browser on your computer or phone. Manual setup. The default password is admin.